In this video clip, we'll be caulking our seams. Now that I have my new trim board on, I need to go back and put caulking in all of the seams as well as around all of my metal. Now this is going to really help prevent any water from seeping inside of there. I'm going to be using the same type of caulking that I used before, the type that's designed for exterior trim, doors, windows. First I'm going to start with my seams. I just put a bit of caulking on that seam, and then I'm going to come back with my finger and smooth that in. Next I'm going to come along the top edge of all of my metal and put a bead of caulking around that, come back with my finger and smooth it in, making sure I have a nice seal here. Next I'm going to come back and put a small bead underneath my metal, come back with my finger and smooth that in also. Now you want to be careful when you do this because that metal is sharp and you don't want to cut yourself.